The search for a place like Boone started decades before. From his very first visit to the United States, Sri Sri said, "We need to find a place of our own, a place where our knowledge can have a home and be secure and people can come from all over the world for it." And we searched and we searched and we searched. And when we'd use temporary facilities, it would take us a while to kind of bring the vibration of the place up so that we could use it effectively. So when we finally found Boone, it was a cause of great celebration.
As you know, back in late 2011, our beloved Gurudev purchased this property with a vision.
It gives me great pleasure to dedicate this center for the people of America, North America. Such a place has been the dream of many practitioners of yoga, meditation and peace. They always said we need a place where we can go anytime we are stressed and relax, be there and find that inner peace and comfort. And here that dream has manifested.
In order to bring new people to this life-changing facility, he guided and blessed us to invite like-minded groups and influential speakers. Over the years, we have been working very hard towards this strategy, and with your support, we have been quite successful.
And one of the things that Sri Sri has wanted was to make this place the premier place for Ayurveda in North America. We have to continue that work here. We also have our Ayurvedic department, and it transforms people's lives. That's one thing that people say. It's one thing that they say is they don't want to leave, and they feel amazing after doing our Ayurvedic programs.
We were rated as one of the top 5 wellness destinations by USA Today in the past 5 years. And we were also, in 2020, we were voted as the most transformative wellness travel destination by Organic Spa magazine. We have some great reviews on TripAdvisor, on Google, which really goes to show that we have provided some amazing guest experience.
It's a miracle what the team with Gurudev's blessings has accomplished in last 8 years to strengthen this ashram, to make it a mainstream destination for spirituality, for spiritual growth. That is truly remarkable.
But this is a humongous place, and it needs a lot of funds to just keep it running. Here at your Boone Ashram, we have over 30 buildings and about 500,000 square feet of heated space. On top of that, we have miles of our own private paved roads, which we need to maintain, and we need to maintain and keep running our own sewer treatment plant and water distribution center. Over the years, we have tried to make our buildings energy efficient and maintenance free as much as possible. But these buildings are old, and so there are limitations. Let me give you some actual numbers. Our insurance alone this year is going to be in the range of $300,000. Our heating bill has been running in 2018 and 2019 between $275,000 to $300,000 a year. Just in 2019, our regular maintenance, not counting the capitalization, just the regular maintenance and repairs were in the $500,000 range. Just these 3 items add up to about $1 million.
An expense of almost $3 million every year to run our operations, even if we are closed, for our utilities, for our basic staff that we need to maintain to run this place. We also have certain renovations coming, like road repairs, deck repairs. We are upgrading our Ayurveda wellness.
We have been pretty successful in bringing new people and generating additional revenues. In 2017 and 2018, just after 5 to 6 years, we were cash positive from operations. And in 2019, we geared up and made preparations necessary preparations for the next big growth phase.
Unfortunately, with COVID, that doesn't seem like a possibility anymore, just because we don't have any income coming, right? And still we have to run this place. Even if the facility is not occupied, you still have to run the heat. You still have to run your electricity. You still have to maintain it. Actually, when things are not in use, they break down even more. So we need to maintain them so that they can survive these harsh conditions that we have. So running this place during these tough times can only be possible when all of us see it's a home for all of us, right? We are all a family, and it is our responsibility to make sure that we can take care of things through these difficult times. And it's just a temporary phase. It's gonna change, right? But this next few months, next 1 year is a tough time. I think this is something that we all can contribute.
So I think it ended up being the ideal home for us. It took a long time for us to find it and actually buy it, but it's like the crown jewel of Art of Living in North America. You know, there's a course point that talks about responsibility, and it says you feel responsible for those things and people that you belong to. And I certainly feel like I belong to that center, and I belong to the people at that center. The center gets by often on our course fees and course rentals from other groups, but we're in a special time when that hasn't been able to happen. And that's the time for us to dig a little deeper in our pockets and say, this center belongs to me. It needs to keep going. It needs to be sustained. It needs to be nourished. And it's up to me and everyone else to take that responsibility. I certainly am taking that responsibility. I hope you'll join me as well.
And let this place be a chance for miracles in lives of million people, where tears turn into smiles, desperation turns into hope, dullness turn into creativity, and hatred turn to love. May God bless you all.